I suppose, it's, Renee does say to me, because, I do strive for the next thing. Probably guilty of not enjoying the moment. She says to me all the time, just, enjoy the moment and stop looking to the next thing and stop looking, only focusing on, the next opportunity that might be there and, effectively stop and smell the roses, I suppose. And stop, appreciate what you have. And I suppose that's something I can take out of this. You realise how much people have fought, just to kind of get what you take for granted. A home, a happy family, everyone healthy. So I think, if anything, that's what I'll take out of it, to really appreciate what I have already. I'll never stop striving and looking for something better. Because you always want to be on a journey. You always want to be travelling somewhere and have a goal. But maybe I can take a little bit more time and appreciate what I have.